Hello guys, so a Photoshop tip. So you have this nice system, very powerful system that you're using, and you installed Photoshop, and whenever you start retouching, your Photoshop start lagging. Not like the system is bad, but when you start doing other things, the system works very well, but most especially when you turn on your mixer brush, the system start lagging. Let me show you how to fix it. Let's fix it. First of all, you just come to settings, you just come to edit, come down to preference, then go down to performance. This is where the whole magic happens. Yes, this is where the whole magic happens. So this is how the settings look like basically when you get the software. So that's for those who have graphics card. So you turn this off and push it up to about 80 or 90. Yes, that is you telling your system to use about 90% of the RAM for Photoshop. So when you bring this, when you're done with this, you just say okay, and by the time you come back and you turn this off and you zoom in, you want to start retouching, your image. By the time you move it, you see that it moves better and faster. It works way stronger, way better. So hope the video was helpful. Hope the video showed you everything that you need to know. It's simple, it's just simple. Hope that was good enough. Yes, thank you and see you on Monday. Peace.